The speech by the new American ambassador to Zimbabwe, Pamela M. Tremont, angered the Zimbabwean government. It angered the regime so much that it made outrageous analogies, comparing her to a wild animal, and threatened her with expulsion. In an incoherent article written by the regime's chief spokesperson, Nick Mangwana, sanapinda mashoko tichiona aiwa the ruling party zanipe vichigwadziwa nemashoko aiwa anobata-bata mumwe akataurwa the new ambassador to Zimbabwe. Ndobva subscribe like what now the bell icon. Uko nishikono anoyanyora mashoko achiti, the fact that the regime's chief spokesperson resorted to making outlandish analogies and threatening expulsion in response to the American ambassador's speech suggests that it must have struck a raw nerve. Why would a government get angry that an ambassador said prosperity for every Zimbabwean would be achievable with strong democratic institutions, good public health, and regional security? It is quite baffling that a government would react so strongly to an ambassador's speech that on the surface appear to be promoting positive values such as economic prosperity for all, democratic institutions, public health, and regional security. Equating this speech to bad behavior is Nick Mangwana is ridiculous. Complaining that the ambassador spoke about the rigged elections shows how disconnected this regime is from reality. Domashwa tukono panapa aiwa Nick Mangwana anoacta weird. Vanoacta kubata zvanoratidza kuti ambassador vanyatsa kubata chaipo panodzimba moyo. Tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pemashoko kana kureta kwakaita the ruling party ZANU-PF pamushoko akataurwa na the US ambassador noti iwo teunoti aiwa vanyatsa kupromota mapositive impacts anonasupporta macitizens. Tudze mafungiro enyu pinda comment section medu, saka no subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.